Most homes do not lose value because of the market. They lose value because they were not prepared the right way before hitting the market. In Southeast Idaho, buyers are careful, inspections matter, and first impressions carry real weight. The homes that sell well are not always the newest or the most upgraded. They are the ones that feel solid, well cared for, and ready for Idaho living. That preparation starts long before the first showing. Here are my expert tips on preparing your home for sale. Focus on exterior and seasonal readiness. In Southeast Idaho, buyers immediately judge how a home handles the seasons. Winter wear, drainage issues, and exterior maintenance stand out fast. Cracked concrete, damaged siding, clogged gutters, or visible roof wear can raise concerns about future repairs. Cleaning up landscaping, repairing visible damage, and making sure the exterior looks maintained shows buyers that the home has been cared for, not neglected. A strong exterior sets the tone for everything that follows inside. Make heating, insulation, and efficiency a priority. Cold winters mean buyers pay close attention to comfort and operating costs. Questions about furnace age, maintenance history, insulation, and drafts are common. Servicing the heating system, replacing filters, sealing any air leaks, and addressing obvious insulation gaps help buyers feel confident about year-round livability. Homes that demonstrate efficiency and reliability reduce buyer hesitation and limit last-minute negotiations tied to mechanical concerns. Take care of smaller repairs before inspections. Many deals slow down or become stressful because of avoidable inspection issues. Small problems like leaky faucets, slow drains, loose handrails, cracked tiles, or non-working outlets often signal bigger worries to buyers. Addressing those items ahead of time keeps inspections smoother and prevents buyers from assuming there are hidden issues behind every small defect. Preemptive repairs protect your negotiating position and help maintain momentum once you are under contract. Declutter and stage for everyday Southeast Idaho living. Buyers need to see how the home functions, not how it stores personal items. Clearing up the clutter, opening up walkways, and simplifying decor make rooms feel larger and more usable. In this region, buyers value practical spaces like the mudrooms, entryways, garages, and storage areas. Staging should highlight how the home supports daily life, outdoor activities, and seasonal transitions. When buyers can picture themselves living comfortably in the space, an emotional connection follows. Organize documents and disclosures early. Preparation is not just physical. Buyers appreciate transparency and organization. Having utility bills, maintenance records, warranties, and the required disclosures ready helps answer questions quickly and builds trust. Clear documentation reduces delays during escrow and signals professionalism, which often leads to smoother transactions and fewer surprises. Preparing your home for sale in Southeast Idaho is about strategy, not stress. Homes that show care, readiness, and practicality tend to attract stronger buyers, smoother inspections, and more confident offers. When preparation aligns with what buyers here value the most, the selling process becomes clearer and more predictable. If you're considering selling and want a customized preparation plan for your home, reach out. I can walk through your property, identify the highest impact improvements, and help you prepare with clarity and confidence before you list. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.